As your publicist.
Glorified publicist.
My publicist is furious, by the way.
Ooh, spooky publicist.
Cy Spector, Rachel's publicist.
Excellent question. What a publicist?
His publicist, Miranda Frost.
Marilyn, you're a publicist.
The junior publicist? Oh, I just...
Publicity!
Publicity.
Look, all publicity is good publicity.
Okay, no publicity is bad publicity.
Publicity stunt?
Indeed, published is published.
Publishing? You're in publishing?
Published?
Got into publishing. Then video publishing.
Rutledge Publishing.
I'm published!
Published?
1698.
Penguin Publishing.
Self-published.
Unpublished.
No. Unpublished.
An unpublished editorial.
You are not unpublished. I am recently...
You want the unpublished manuscript?
And the unpublished manuscript of book.
Published, unpublished, doesn't matter.
Okay.
The unpublished works of Robert Lowell.
My unpublished memoirs this week.
Publishers,
Your publisher?
Publishers.
Publishers are interesting.
Oh, yeah, well, publishers are stupid.
Publishers, convention.
And publishers?
Publishing? You're in publishing?
Got into publishing. Then video publishing.
Rutledge Publishing.
Penguin Publishing.
Not publishing.
Oh, publishing?
Great Republic.
The Republic.
Republic invaders.
Plato's Republic.
Banana.
Republic credits. Yes, from Chester.
For the Republic.
A Republican.
Jerk.
Republican.
Republican.
I'm a Republican. My father was a
Republican campaign.
Republican, Democrat, Independent. The Information Republican.
She's a Republican.
The Republican Guard.
Republican National Convention.
Democrat.
No, Democrat.
As a Democrat.
As a Democrat.
Republican, Democrat, Independent.
Democrats weren't born Democrats.
The Democrats.
The democratic principles just when the
Democrats.
Democrats.
Democracy.
Democracy.
Democracy. Democracy. Democracy.
Democracy.
This democracy, your democracy, elected me.
Democracy!
Democracy wins.
Democratic pride.
The Democratic Convention.
It's democratic.
Coalition of the Democratic.
The democratic principles just when the
The Democratic Senate will not...
The Democratic Party.
Sophisticated.
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 Money. It's sophisticated. It's extremely sophisticated.
How sophisticated.
He's sophisticated.
And sophistication.
Beauty. Sophistication.
To sophistication. To sophistication.
Toe? What toe? A toe is a toe.
Toll-free number.
Toll-free, that's good.
Toll-free call.
I called the toll-free number and they...
Because why would it be toll-free?
For reservations, call toll-free 1-800-75.
May I give you his toll-free number?
Thing you can order with a toll-free number.
Perfection is what a toll-free number away.
For reservations, call toll-free 1-800-759-3000.
Customer.
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 Next customer. Next customer.
Good. Just keep thinking customer.
Customers. Customers, everyone! Customers! 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 We've got customers!
That's stupid.
Hardly customary.
Is this customary?
Isn't it customary?
Hardly customary.
It is customary.
It is customary to...
It's customary.
As is customary.
As is customary.
Was that customary?
Accustomed to revenge.
Unaccustomed to her.
I am not accustomed.
You've grown accustomed to.
I'll be outside.
Accustomed to her voice.
You're accustomed to.
Too accustomed to military privileges.
Unaccustomed to light and warmth.
Unaccustomed to such luxury. Well, it's the least.
Unaccustomed as he is to city manners, no.
I am close to experiencing an unaccustomed emotion.
In the unaccustomed glare of the middays.
These apparent prodigies, the unaccustomed terror of the night.
Impossible as it seems, there was a time when I was unaccustomed to wine.
Costume?
Funny costume trumps sexy costume.
Love your costume.
What costume?
Astronaut costume, devil costume, Jason mask.
You'll need a costume.
A costume?
Costumes?
Costumes?
Idiom, sir?
Idiom!
It's an idiom.
Is idiom?
You, sir, as an idiom.
Idiom, right. Okay, sorry.
Just flip the idiom.
Whose ability to comprehend the American idiom.
That's just an idiom. It means... I don't have pens.
It's an idiom!
Are you calling me an idiom?
No, that would be idiotic.
Real.
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 Turns out, real.
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 Unreal.
Real.
Unreal. Unreal.
Unreal? Unreal.
Unreal.
Reality. 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 Reality.
Reality.
Are they?
Really?
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 Music playback.
Super realism.
If he wants realism, we'll give him realism.
I like realism.
Realism over romanticism.
No, I'm talking about the lack of realism. Realism.
Romantic realism or postmodern deconstructivism.
Magical realism in American literature.
That's, magical realism. Oh, there's the realism.
Realistic.
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 Realistic goals, realistic rewards.
Let's be realistic.
Let's be realistic.
I'm realistic.
Being realistic?
Got it right?
Warningly.
Realistic.
Very realistic.
Realistic.
Jack, you're totally unrealistic.
Which is unrealistic.
It's totally unrealistic.
That was a bit unrealistic, wasn't it?
It's an unrealistic policy.
Mission unrealistic.
Real.
Real.
Absolutely surreal.
Yeah, it's surreal.
How are things?
Surreal.
Surreal dystopian story. It's still surreal.
Surreal.
This is surreal.
It's real world identity.
Real world obstacle.
Real world strength.
It's real world identity.
Real world obstacle.
Real world strength.
Realize.
I realize that. I realize.
Sorry, I didn't realize.
Didn't realize what?
Realize stuff.
Realize.
Didn't realize, son.
You realize.
I realize this.
Your rules rule.
Rules.
Rules.
Rules, rules, rules. You can't.
Rules.
Rules are rules, guys. Rules are rules.